Hey, LIVEK is back again with the YouTube channel LIVEK Talk. It's a new horizon to broadcast technology. Here we will interview and discuss about various audio and video equipment, operations and troubleshooting, AR, VR, virtual chroma. Try to find a fact, technology behind the technology. Also get fact from online graphics as well as offline graphics, technology to transmission, TV stations to earth stations. Find out the fact of automations and robotics. LIVEK, a new horizon to broadcast technology. Subscribe our channel LIVEK Talk. Be ready, light, camera, action.
Hi friends, this is LIVEK and welcome to my channel LIVEK Talk. Today I am going to give you a short and compact introduction of a nice product from FOR-A. It is HVS-190 video switcher. It looks like a very small and compact. Yes, it is small and compact in size. But no doubt it is a very powerful video switcher from functionalities. It works on SDI and NDI mixed platform. Yes, this HVS-190 video switcher also supports NDI by using optional NIF card. There are basically two models of this switcher HVS-190. First one is HVS-190I and another one is HVS-190S. In case of HVS-190I, I stands for integrated. Here input and output interfaces are attached along with the panel itself. So here everything is about in a single unit. And the another model is HVS-190S. Here S stands for separated, means panel and frame are both separate unit connected by a LAN cable. The switcher HVS-190I has in standard 8 SDI input and 5 output, among which 1 SDI program output, 3 numbers of aux SDI output and 1 HDMI output, which can you use for your multi-view monitoring purpose. And it has 2 optional card slot in which you can insert input card or maybe output card, or also you can insert NIF card. So combination of optional input and output card, you can make your switcher as a 16 input and 9 output video switcher. Whereas in case of HVS-190S, in standard it is also same like HVS-190I. That means 8 standard SDI input and 5 output, but only difference is that this HVS-190S video switcher has 3 optional card slot. So by inserting the combination of input and output card, you can make this switcher as a 20 input and 11 output.
Friends, it's now time to have a look into the quick features of the video switcher HVS-190I. You can see in the video there are 12 feather touch soft button for preview bus, and just above the preview bus there are also 12 numbers of feather touch PGM bus, and just above the preview and PGM bus there are another 12 buttons for key source and aux source selections. And you can see is a great LCD screen from where you can navigate the menu as per your requirement. And just below the LCD screen there are 4 rotary switches, F1, F2, F3 and F4 respectively, to navigate the menu. And just beside the rotary switch there are 2 up down button for page up and page down of the menu. And you can see at the top left corner there are USB port for file transfer. Now come to the key section. These are the 6 key buttons: key 1, key 2, flex key 1, flex key 2, flex key 3, flex key 4. And these are the lever for lever, or you can say it fader, for preview to PGM and preview and PGM to preview smooth transitions. And these are the this is the joystick for control the window or pocket size, position or size. And just below the joystick there are also a rotary switch which is used to control the size of the pocket or window proportionally. And you can see there are 8 number of buttons. These buttons are called user buttons, where you can assign any kinds of shortcut to do your job easily. And these sections are called keypad section, where you can store or recall macro and events. So friend, these are the basic features I have told you so far as I know. I hope you like it. Now come to the options part. Options means additional parts you can add into your switcher as per your requirement. First option is input card HVS-100 TIA. One card consists of 4 input. Another option is output card HVS-100DO. One output card consists of 2 output. Third one is NDI card HVS-NIF. One NDI can connect 4 NDI camera input and 2 NDI output. You can also add digital audio IO card, which is HVS-49AES. You can also insert or add SSD. So this option is called SSD expansion HVS-190 SSD. And you can also add MV expansion, multi-view expansion, which is HVS-190 MV. As a standard, there are one multi-view head, but another is optional. You can add this. And the last option is redundant power supply HVS-190 PSM. So friends, these are the all total quick features of HVS-190I or HVS-190S for a video switchers. I hope you like this video, and please keep tuned with the channel LIVEK Talk to get more updates about these video switchers. I will explain step by step each and every operation you need. Thank you.